So see how the deletion is being performed. First, what is the element that is being deleted? At the front position, the first element is being deleted is 27. Next, the front becomes 1. What is the value of front now? 19. Now it becomes to be deleted. Next 17 has to be deleted. Next 7 has to be deleted. Did you understand how the front and rear value can be performed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ఏమా అర్థమైంది అందరికి?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you being able to understand what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
అమ్మా అందరికి అర్థమైనట్టేనా? క్యూ కూడా
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే. మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి స్టాక్ క్యూ కి డిఫరెన్సెస్ చెప్తాను, ఒక్కసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి. యూనిట్ మొత్తం కూడా స్టాక్ క్యూవే. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆన్ ద స్టాక్? పుష్ అండ్ pop, isn't it?
Pop.
Push is nothing but insertion of a
Yes,
new
ma'am.
element. Insertion of new element. First I want to insert 1. What is at 1? 1 is being inserted at 0 value. Next 2 is being inserted at 1 value. Okay na? So in order to insert a new element, you need to increment the top, and at the top position you need to add the new element. మా అర్థమవుతుందా? మళ్ళీ చెప్పమంటారా? అందరి గురించి మాట్లాడండి. అందరికి అర్థమవుతున్నట్టేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, what is the element I have inserted? A, that is inserted at 0. Whenever I have to insert another element B, the B is inserted at 1.
First position.
Whenever I want to insert another element C, the C is inserted at 2.
Second position.
ఆ సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమేమి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 0 వద్ద ఏ ఉన్నట్టు, 1 వద్ద బి ఉన్నట్టు, 2 దగ్గర సి ఉన్నట్టు. అవునా? Whenever I have added one more element, the D is inserted at which position? Third position. Okay na?
Third position.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever I have inserted one more element, the E is inserted at which position? Fourth position. అంటే ఇన్సర్షన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడల్లా నేను టాప్ వాల్యూని ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నాను. టాప్ ఏం చేస్తా ఉన్నాను? ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటా వచ్చేసాను. డిలీట్ చేసేటప్పుడు, టాప్ చేసేటప్పుడల్లా ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? టాప్ ని డిక్రిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటా ఉండాలి. టాప్ మోస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని డిలీట్ చేసి టాప్ ని డిలీట్ చేయాలి. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు పాప్ నౌ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు పాప్ నౌ? ఈ. అవునా? తర్వాత టాప్ ఏమవుతుంది? 3 అవుతుంది. థర్డ్ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్న దాన్ని పాప్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ అట్ ద థర్డ్ పొజిషన్? డి. డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ టాప్ డిక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. టాప్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 2 అవుతుంది. సారీ, అవునా? అవునమ్మా. ఇవన్నీ మళ్ళీ మీరు థర్డ్ యూనిట్ లో నేర్చుకుంటారు. మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం ఇదంతా చెప్పాము. So see once again, what is the Q? What is the next data structure? Q is the data structure which will arrange the elements in the order of first in, first out. Okay, what are the operations I can perform? NQ and DQ. NQ is called as adding a new element. DQ is called as
Deleting new
element from Q.
Okay. In order to insert the element, which position I can use? Rear value. In order to delete an element, which position I can use?
Front
value. ఏమా అందరికి అర్థమైనట్టేనా? అందరూ మాట్లాడట్లా, ముగ్గురు నలుగురు తప్పితే. క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ బై ఆల్ ద రిమైనింగ్ పర్సన్స్?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే. సో సీ హియర్, ఇట్స్ ఇనిషియల్లీ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తున్నాం అమ్మా. ఫ్రంట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇది మొత్తం తర్వాత మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అప్పుడు అర్థం చేసుకుందరు వాళ్ళు థర్డ్ యూనిట్ లో అంతా. ఇది జస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. ఓకేనమ్మా? So what is the next data structure? Trees and graphs.
Trees.
Graph.
Trees and graphs are the non-linear data structures. Trees and graphs can be explained as an example of non-linear data structures. Up to now, we have seen what do you mean by linear data structure and what are the examples of linear data structures. What are the examples of linear data structures we have covered? Arrays, linked list,
Arrays.
Linked
Stack.
list.
Linked list.
Stack. Queue.
stack and
Stack.
queue.
And queue.
Queue. These are the examples of linear data structures. The examples of non-linear data structures are trees and queues, trees and graphs. What are the examples?
Graph.
What are the examples of non-linear data structures? Trees and graphs. So see here, now we are going to explain about what is a tree. Tree is a non-linear data structure which arranges the given data elements as a sorted sequence. And there should exist a kind of non-linear relationship among the given data elements. The non-linear relationship can be established by arranging the given data elements in a hierarchical manner. That means the tree arranges the given data elements in a hierarchical manner. As already you know what is the meaning of hierarchy. Top level some elements will be there. The down level some elements will be there. Down to down level some elements will be there. Level by level arrangement of the elements is called as the hierarchical arrangement. That kind of hierarchical arrangement of the elements can be done by means of a non-linear data structure that is called as a tree. Okay, a tree is a non-linear data structure which organizes the given data elements in the hierarchical manner. Did you understand what is the meaning of hierarchy? Level by level arrangement of the elements. At the starting level, some elements will be there. At the next level, some elements will be there. At the next level, some elements will be there. Likewise, if the elements are arranged in the level by level manner, hierarchical manner, first level, second level, third level, and so on, that kind of hierarchical arrangements can be done by means of a data structure that is called as tree. If you see here an example of tree, you can clearly understand. See here, this is the first level. What is the element at the first level? A. All the next remaining elements that are connected to the first element are first level elements are at the second level. What are the elements at the second level? What are the nodes that are connected to A?
B and
B
C.
and
B and C.
B and C are at second level, isn't it?
Second level.
B and
Yes,
C are
ma'am.
at, and what are the elements connected to this second level will form the third level. What are the elements connected to B?
D and E.
B and E.
What are the elements connected to C?
F and G.
F G.
And G.
So what are the elements at the third level? D, E, F, G
D,
are at
E,
F,
F,
G.
G.
are at
Third level.
third level. Level by level arrange చేసుకుంటూ
Third
వచ్చామా లేదా?
level.
The elements are arranged in a hierarchical manner. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
here totally how many elements have been given to you? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Totally 7 elements have been given to you. The 7 elements have been organized in the hierarchy. Amma, mute yourself. If you are having some kind of disturbance, mute yourself. If you have given the 7 elements, all the 7 elements have been arranged in the hierarchical manner. How many levels I have arranged these 7 elements?
3 levels.
3 levels. What is at the topmost level?
A.
The elements that are connected to the previous level will form the next level. The first level is level 1. Level 1 ki connect అయిన వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా level 2 form చేస్తారు. What are the elements at level 2?
B and
B
C.
and C. The elements connected to the level 2 will form the level 3. So what are the elements at the level 3? What are the elements connected to B and C? D, E, F, G are connected to B and C. So the D, E, F, G will form
Third level.
Third level. Did you understand
Level
what is?
3.
Okay. Did you understand what is the meaning of that statement? Level by level arrangement of the
Yes,
elements.
ma'am.
So, and here you must know one another important property of the tree, that is called as the topmost level should consisting of only one element, that is called as the root of the tree. That is called as the root of the tree. The tree always arranges the given elements into two parts, that is the root and the subtrees. Root and the subtrees. So here out of these elements, the first element, the element at the first level is designated as the root of the tree. So in this example, what is the element I have designated as the root of the tree?
A.
A. And all the remaining elements will be called as the subtrees of the A. What is the subtree? కింద ఉన్న వాటన్నిటిని subtrees అంటాం కదమ్మా. కొత్త నోటేషన్స్ మీకు గుర్తు అర్థం
Yes,
చేసుకోండి. What are the elements connected to the previous level, that all that are called as the subtrees. Now what are the elements below of A? All these are below for the A, isn't it?
B and C.
B and C డైరెక్ట్ కనెక్షన్. మిగతా అన్ని కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇవన్నీ కూడా నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా. నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని కూడా సబ్ట్రీస్ ఆఫ్
Yes,
ద ప్రీవియస్ లెవెల్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are directly connected to A? B and
B
B
and
and
C.
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 what are connected to B? D and
D
D
and
and
E.
E.
so
E.
what are connected to C? F and
F and G.
F and G.
so all these elements can be called as the subtrees of A. All these elements can be called as the subtrees of A.
Subtrees of A.
Okay. What are the child of A? Direct connection of what ni childs anta. What are the childs of A? B and
B and C.
what are the childs of B?
D
E
and
and
E.
E.
What are the childs of C? What are the childs of C?
F and
F,
G.
G.
And G.
అలా
F and G.
డైరెక్ట్ గా కనెక్షన్ ఉన్న వాటన్నిటిని చైల్డ్స్ అంట. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ బి?
A.
A. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ సి?
A.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ డి?
B.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ?
B.
B.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్?
C.
C.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ ఆఫ్ జి?
C.
అమ్మా వేరే అన్న డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఆన్ చేయొద్దు ప్లీజ్, డైరెక్ట్ గా మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని ఉండండి. Did you understand up to now? A tree is a non-linear data structure which arranges the given data elements in which manner? Hierarchical manner. All the arrangements will be arranged in hierarchical manner.
Hierarchical manner.
What is the meaning of hierarchical manner? Is level by level arrangement.
Level by
Level arrangement. Initially, one element should be placed at the first level. That is called as the root of the tree. That is called as the root of the tree. All the remaining elements should
root
be
of the tree.
all the remaining elements should be organized as the subtrees of the root. What is the subtree of the A? B and C are subtrees. What is the subtree of B? D and E are subtrees of B. What are the subtrees of C? F and G are called as subtrees of.
Subtrees of
C.
C.
Likewise, if you arrange or if you organize every element given for you as a hierarchical arrangement, that type of data structure is called as
Trees.
trees. ఏమో అర్థమైందా? Up to now we have discussed the stack will arrange the given elements in last in first out. That is
First
the
out.
last inserted element is the first element to be deleted, whereas the queue arranges the given elements in first out. What is the meaning of first in? What is the meaning of first in first out? the first inserted element will be the element to be deleted, first outputted element. Whereas the tree arranges the given elements in the order of hierarchical manner. That is, level by level order arrangement of the elements can be done through a non-linear data structure that is called as tree. In the tree, the first element, only one element should be there at the root position, that is the starting level. Next, so many elements can be arranged in the next levels that are directly connected to the previous level. What are the elements at the level 1 in this figure?
A.
A.
What are the elements at the level 2? Level 1 కి కనెక్ట్ అయిన యూనిట్ ని ఏమంటాము?
B.
Level 2 అంటాం.
Level
What
2
what are
elements.
what are at the level 2? B and
B
B
and
and C.
what are the elements at the level 3 are which are connected to level 1? What are the elements that are connected to level 1? D, E, F, G are connected to level 2. So that's why these are called as level 3 elements. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and these can be called as the childs of the previous node. The level 1 elements can be called as childs of level 2 elements can be called as childs of level 1. What is level 1? A. A ki connect అయిన elements ఏంటి? B, C. So the B and C are called as childs of
Childs of A.
A. What are the childs of B? D and D are childs of B. What are the
Childs of B.
so what are the childs of C? The childs of C